Today we're gonna make some steak, bacon, cheeseburgers. Yeah, you heard me right. Steak with some bacon on top of a cheeseburger. I'm telling you, man, we about to go beast mode on this one. Man, let's go ahead and get it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients and we're gonna make this thing happen. All right, so here's your spread. We got some lettuce and tomatoes with some cheese. We got some hickory smoked bacon. We got a pound of beef, ground beef. And then we got some thinly cut steaks that we picked up at the store. So one of the reasons why I created this channel is to inspire you to get in the kitchen so you can bring that food to your family on the dinner table and create those memories. So what we got is a pound of beef, which we're gonna make those into quarter-pound balls. So it's pretty much basically a quarter pounder. And what you wanna do is form those balls into a nice round patty. And that's what it's all about, man. It's about that artwork. And you just making art in the kitchen. You the chef, you the artist, and you making that art come to life. Now we got the steak. So with the steak, you need to marinate that thing. Either marinate it or put some seasoning on it. So what I used was some brown sugar seasoning, my favorite seasoning. And like I said, you want that thing to be flavorful before you put that thing on the grill. Ooh, you hear that bad boy, it's hot. What I'm using is a George Foreman indoor grill. Ooh. Now let me go ahead and tell you, if you're a chef and you in the game, you can cook on anything and make that thing right. It don't matter if you're cooking indoor, outdoor, charcoal, electric grill. If you that man or that woman that can make it happen, you can cook on anything. So you see me, I got those meats on there, man. And I'm just telling you, man, I'm just excited, man. You hear me, woohoo! Because like I said, man, when I'm in that kitchen, man, I'm having fun. And again, with your steak, it's gonna cook fast because it's a thin steak. So you wanna get that thing cooked nice and right, how you like it. Take it back off, but you don't want to burn that thing because it's a thin steak. And again, with the George Foreman, man, you can let that thing steam up or smoke up however you like it. Man, it's all about, you see that char on that grill from the bacon, that's that flavor that you're starting to create with this grill. So if you want to know how to make some flavor in a grill, electric grill that's indoor, yeah, you start getting some of that char on that grill, and that's where that flavor is at. So again, like I said, just quick, it's quick, because that's a thin steak, and I got this on high heat, so you know it's not gonna take long for that thing to get right. And you can go ahead and see the grill marks in it. Boy, I'm telling you, you in the game, man. Straight fun, and that's what it's all about, man. Having fun, making it happen, making those recipes, and then giving it to your family so they can really enjoy it, man. Y'all enjoy each other. That's what it's about, man. Life is too short not to enjoy what we have and the people that we have around us. So you got those quarter-pound burgers. You see me putting that salt and pepper on there to taste. Now some of us have to watch our sodium intake, so you don't really need salt on that thing. And again, guys, when you're cooking and grilling, a lot of your meats gonna make their own flavors. Now it's all about presentation. Don't forget to toast your buns. Now I got a little bit of mayo. Now I'm putting on those cheeseburgers. You see that melted cheese. Then we go with the steak. Now we got the bacon. And then we're gonna top that bad boy off with lettuce and tomatoes. Once we got that lettuce and tomato on there, get your favorite barbecue sauce, get your favorite steak sauce, whatever sauce you like. Top that bad boy off, put that top hat on there, and enjoy that recipe. Alright, there you have it. Bacon steak cheeseburger. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, man, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this thing and see how it tastes. Awesome, man, awesome. So, guys, make that burger, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys later, man. I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this thing. That thing was busting, man. We'll see you guys later. Peace.